Ever spent hours wrestling with messy data sets, only to lose stakeholders in a fog of p-values and scatter plots? The data analysis pack cuts through the chaos with hypothesis testing frameworks for A/B validation, regression templates for lasso and ridge modeling, visualization guides for plotly dashboards, and presentation decks that turn coefficients into compelling stories. For data analysts, BI specialists, research scientists, and quantitative analysts drowning in spreadsheets, this is your life raft. Transform noise into clarity and late night coding into boardroom ready insights. Here's what's inside the data analysis pack: hypothesis testing with Bayesian inference workflows, regression analysis using scikit-learn pipelines for multivariate predictions, data visualization modules for Tableau level clarity in Python, presentation templates with embedded storytelling frameworks. Each phase comes with working code templates, performance benchmarks, and progress checklists. And it works everywhere: Claude Code, Cursor, Gemini CLI, Windsurf, Copilot, Warp, and more. From raw data to stakeholder buy in, we've automated the grind so you can own the strategy. Installing the data analysis pack takes one command: npx quanta-skills add data analysis pack. That's it. You'll get the full workflow: hypothesis testing frameworks, regression templates, visualization playbooks, and slide decks. Your next Claude code session auto detects the pack, and your AI assistant suddenly gets residual analysis, confidence intervals, and how to make a CEO care about R squared. Now, go turn spreadsheets into superpowers.